Sound Ideas is proud to present the Amadeus Sound Effects Library, produced by the renowned Saul Zaentz Film Center. This outstanding collection of more than 650 sound effects from the Oscar-winning feature Amadeus offers a deep selection of applause, audience walla, horse and carriage sounds, human voices, theatrical effects, and a host of other sounds that recreate the 18th century world of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. But wait, there's more. The Amadeus Sound Effects Library also comes with a bonus CD containing a selection of the very best sound effects from the Saul Zaentz Film Center. With hundreds of great feature film effects, the Best of Saul Zaentz CD offers something for everyone. Amadeus and the Best of Saul Zaentz. Movie Magic, brought to you by Sound Ideas.